iOS 27 hidden settings you should change immediately on iPhone. Let's get started. The biggest news is compatibility. Apple has extended support, and now iOS 27 is expected to run on a wide range of devices from iPhone 11 and SE second generation all the way up to the latest iOS 17 Pro series. This is great news for users who thought older iPhones might be left out of the update. One of the major changes is the new wallpaper system. When you long press the lock screen and tap on the plus icon, you'll now see a dedicated iOS 27 wallpaper section. There are three types: color wallpapers that you can fully customize with sliders, dynamic wallpapers that automatically adjust based on a device tone and background, and a special iOS 27 wallpaper set with light and dark modes for better personalization. Another lock screen improvement is the clock customization. You can now resize the clock, move it above the date, and even blend it into the wallpaper for a cleaner look. This gives users more control over their lock screen design. Apple has also updated app icons with a liquid glass effect. Apps like Maps and Find My now have a more modern, glossy look. Even the home screen customization menu has been improved, replacing the old edit option with a cleaner customization interface. Overall, the UI feels more polished and visually consistent. The power menu has also been redesigned with smoother sliders and a more modern SOS emergency call interface. Control center animations are now more fluid, and even the dynamic island timer has been improved with the new glowing animations, making it look much more engaging and interactive. In settings under sound and haptics, now you get better manual controls for ringtones, alerts, and system sounds separately. This allows you to fine-tune your audio experience more precisely than before. Another change is the appearance section, where the liquid glass effect can now be adjusted using a slider, giving you control over transparency and tint levels. Now moving on to AI features, one of the most exciting additions is Image Playground, where you can generate images using AI just by speaking or typing prompts. For example, you can ask it to create a mountain wallpaper and it will generate it instantly in different styles like sketch, illustration, or animation. The Photos app also gets powerful AI editing tools for supported devices. You can remove objects using cleanup, extend images beyond their borders, or reframe shots using AI. These tools make editing much faster and more professional without needing third-party apps. Finally, Siri is getting a major upgrade with Apple Intelligence integration. Although it's still rolling out gradually, Siri is becoming more conversational, more helpful, and more powerful, with features like visual search, smarter suggestions, and deeper app integration. Overall, iOS 27 brings a huge visual upgrade, better customization, and powerful AI features across supported iPhones. In future beta updates, we can expect even more improvements and refinements. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.